At ViaTerra, we make several waterproof motorcycle luggage products. But when it comes to protective riding gear, we prioritize ventilation. And here's why we think this is better for Indian riding conditions. When we design and develop products, we're not just thinking about how a piece of gear will be used, but where it will be used too. In India, we see drastic variations in weather, terrain, and environment. And the heat that we experience is harsher than most other parts of the world. Gear designed for European or American riding conditions simply does not fathom the realities of riding in India. Waterproof or all-season riding gear cannot match the breathability of well-designed mesh counterparts. Even if these jackets and pants have vents that can be opened, they will not offer the generous airflow that you get from large mesh panels on the fronts, sides, and back of the garment. Yes, built-in waterproofing offers convenience in certain specific scenarios, but it also keeps the air out and retains internal body heat. All of which is great if you're riding in colder climates. But when you are riding in temperatures between 25 to 40 degrees for over 90% of the time, nothing trumps ventilation. That's why all of our riding jackets and pants are designed to be more comfortable in the heat, with the option to add specialized layers for other kinds of weather. This prioritization of ventilation is not just external, but most ViaTerra riding jackets and pants also use armor with ventilation holes, and even the inner lining of pockets have perforations in them. The focus with every element is to maximize airflow. In the case of riding gloves, all our leather glove options feature perforated leather, and some like the Kruger touring gloves and whole shot range go further with mesh panels on the upper side too. Better ventilation improves comfort, reduces fatigue, and makes it easier to wear your gear more often for longer. Layering helps to tackle comfort in varying conditions. With specific summer, winter, and rain layers available to choose from, you have the freedom to also decide how warm or how cool you want to be as the weather changes. This is far more versatile and adjustable than anything that comes bundled together. We've tested our gear extensively all over India in all kinds of weather to know that this system works. The next time you're looking to buy riding gear, prioritize comfort over everything else and make the choice that is best suited to your specific riding conditions. If you have any doubts or questions, drop them in the comments and we will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.